only 15 minutes a day of practicing English will leave a great impact on you, especially the way you speak. If somebody who doesn't speak even for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, how will he or she be able to improve his or her communication skill? No. Friends, it's quarter past 6 and I am on the terrace right now, and I am just walking because being a homemaker or being a villager, I'm not allowed to go anywhere for morning walk. But I always come on the terrace for morning walk. And as you can see around myself, everywhere, there's nothing but only fog, and the temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius. However, I'm enjoying this weather. So if you are the one who is watching this video and you love snuggling with your blanket, then leave your this habit. Okay, just kick out of this thought from your mind that only snuggling with your blanket will help you to become a fluent English speaker. The time when I started my English language learning journey, at that time as well, I used to wake up early in the morning. Okay, and I used to come on the terrace, I used to walk, and there's one extra benefit of walking in the morning. That, what is that? Do you know? While walking, I do my speaking practice. As right now, I'm holding this camera and I'm speaking with my camera. I'm speaking with my camera and I'm speaking with my audience as well. So I used to do the same kind of practice, but for that, definitely I had to come out of my comfortable zone. Now just tell me, who doesn't love, especially in the winters, snuggling with the blanket? But it will not help you. It will not help you until you kick off this habit from your body, from your mind, from your vocabulary. Okay, there shouldn't be even a single minute in your dictionary comfort zone, because comfort zone always makes us sluggish person, lazy person. We don't feel like doing anything, and because of which we always suffer in our life. So as you can see, nothing is visible, only fog is everywhere. And behind my house there are fields, next to my house there are fields, this side my house there's a house, and even in front of my house there are fields. So that's why here in the villages, especially in the morning time, we can see lots of fog. So what can I talk about when I wake up early in the morning? Being a English language learner, being a beginner of this learning journey, how can I practice? You can talk about anything. You can talk about your whole day. How did you spend your whole day yesterday? Or what is your plan for today? What is your plan for today? You can talk about that. And first and foremost thing that you should apply and you should start doing from today onwards, that is, you have to be grateful for the things that you already have. And just what you have to do, you have to just pay your thank. You have to be thankful, you have to be grateful to God for whatever you already have, or what all you want to have in your life. Like if I say, right now I have many things, not materialistic thing, but many things that I all have, I can be grateful for that. Like, thanks God for giving me these healthy eyes. Thanks God for giving me these healthy ears. Thank you God for giving me this healthy body. Thank you God for making me happy, healthy or wealthy. Thank you God for giving me a supportive husband. Thank you God for giving me this beautiful life. Thank you God for giving me these clothes which I am wearing right now. Thank you God for giving me the food which I have every day. Thank you God for giving me the water which I drink. Thank you God for giving me the privilege of this air which I breathe every single day. Thank you God for giving me the opportunity to see everything. Thank you, God, for giving me the money which I had right now, which I have right now. Thank you, God, for making me a fluent English speaker. Thank you, God, for making me a happy, healthy, or wealthy person. So you have to, at least if you don't know anything, then you can repeat these sentences. And in this way, from the morning, from early morning itself, you will you will slowly and gradually develop a mind which will only think in English. And once if you will develop that kind of mindset, then mastering English language will not be a arduous task for you. It will be really very easy for you. You just need to embark this journey. Every day when you wake up early in the morning, when your alarm goes off, you again just keep your phone aside and you just sleep. So sleeping is not going to help you. Working on your goals will help you. So every day just come in the nature, enjoy this time, because only in the winters, only in the winter season we get this type of environment. Normally in the summers nobody gets. We want to have AC in a room, still we don't get that kind of vibe which I am able to have right now. God has given me this access, so why I'm not supposed to enjoy? I am supposed to enjoy this nature, and I can enjoy the serenity which I can have right now, that most of the people who wake up at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. they can't have. So if you also want to get the fresh air for breathing, then start waking up early in the morning. If you want to listen the chopping of the birds, then start waking up early in the morning. If you want to enjoy the serenity and the fog and the natural things, then start waking up early in the morning. And even on the roads, very few people, there are very few commuters. Okay, commuters means passers by. So as I have talked to you like almost 7 minutes, it's been almost 7 minutes. So at least I am speaking continuously for 7 minutes. I have been speaking continuously for 7 minutes. So practicing doesn't need only a topic to speak. You don't have to come up only with a topic, always with a topic. You don't need a partner to speak with. You don't need anything. Only you and yourself is enough for practicing. And you have the access of smartphone, so you can talk to this camera, you can record yourself, you can look how you behave, what is your voice modulation, or what is your intonation, how's your pronunciation. After recording your videos, you can at check out, you can rectify your mistakes, the places, the areas where you still make mistakes, you can rectify, you can completely eradicate those mistakes. So all in all, it's just going to give you benefits. Okay, many people, they make this excuse, I don't have time to speak, I don't have time to practice English. So only 15 minutes a day of practicing English will leave a great impact on yourself, especially the way you speak. If somebody who doesn't speak even for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, how will he or she be able to improve his or her communication skill? No, not even 1% chance is there for her to improve her communication. So the fact is that until you open your mouth, until you come out of your comfortable zone, until you start speaking, you won't get anything. And one of my learners, she told me, before joining my classes, she joined others' classes as well. And they were just giving her 10 words a day, 5 words a day, but they were not able to make her understand how to use those words. So despite knowing the grammar since her childhood, even she studied from English medium school, however, she was not able to speak even a single sentence. But as soon as she joined my classes, as soon as she started speaking with me and with other members of the group, So now she can speak perfectly. No one can say, yeah, once she was not able to utter even a single word or sentence. So how it happened? Just by giving the time. So you have to set your priority. What is your priority? Or if you don't have, okay, if you don't have time, so you have to find out the time. God has given you only 24 hours. God will not help you to extend the time. It's going to be only 24 hours. You have to find out, you have to deduct the time from your sleeping time, from your rest time for this practice, for the practicing. Okay, so I think you must have observed what I'm saying, and you will definitely wake up early in the morning from tomorrow onwards, and you will practice. And as you can see, means I'm wearing sweater, pajama, shoes, okay, and then I am wearing cap right now. I have this dupatta as well, so I have totally wrapped up myself. I have totally wrapped myself just because of I don't want to give any even a 1% chance to this cold just to affect me. So this thing is up to me. I have to do my 100%, then leave it everything on God. Just keep doing what you are supposed to do, and the result will definitely come to you. So don't wait for anyone. Don't wait for the right time or the perfect time for you to start speaking. Start your journey and enjoy this journey. So you can see in front of my house, these are fields, and even fields are not completely visible. Only road is lightly visible. So this type of condition is this, so you can understand my hands, they are just freezing right now. It's totally especially the hand which I'm using to hold this mobile phone, so it has got totally numb. Okay, numb, and UMB means sun ho jana. And I think now I should wind up, or I should wrap up this video here itself, because I don't think so I will be able to hold my camera a little more longer. So I would say you must have got all the things, but I really wanted to mention. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.